Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga naririto ngayon at patuloy na kaagapay ng Office of the Vice President sa paglilingkod sa mga Pilipino. Hindi matatawaran ang halaga ng inyong kontribusyon sa mga proyekto at programa ng OVP para sa ating mga kababayan. The Office of the Vice President would not have accomplished even half of what we have achieved without your trust in the integrity of the OVP, your dedication to public service, and your commitment to uplifting the lives of the Filipino people. We have a long list of organizations to thank, from the government and private sectors, from the business community, people's organizations, local government units, and private individuals. Last year, Pasidungog was a celebration of partnership we forged through the values we all uphold as government institutions with a common pursuit of a better life for Filipinos. We continue to celebrate our partnerships today as we take a closer look at the changes that happen to the individuals, families, groups, or communities that we have reached. The impact of our collaborations on the lives of those who needed medical care, burial assistance, immediate relief assistance, food aid, free public transport, and school supplies has been incredibly significant. And our delivery of public services have profoundly made a difference in the lives of our people. When we brought government programs to the communities through our satellite offices and extension offices, we essentially brought the government right to the doorsteps of Filipino homes. Essentially, we have two kinds of interventions. First, services that provide immediate help to citizens in distressing situations. And second, services that provide long-term solutions to social issues confronting our citizens. The first intervention supports people experiencing hunger, financial insecurity, medical crisis, and calamities. The second are initiatives that build the capacity of communities to address issues that impact their lives. Both initiatives aim to put Filipinos at the center of everything we do, where every Filipino has the opportunity to thrive and become participants in nation building. We received thousands of letters from groups all over the country expressing their desire to become recipients of the OVP flagship program, Magnegosyo Taday. And we also received letters from individuals expressing the same desire to become recipients of the program. Naisip namin, ang pag-unlad ay nagsisimula sa desisyon ng isang individual na maging kapaki-pakinabang. Kung kaya't binuksan natin sa OVP ang programa para sa mga individual na may pagnanais na maging produktibo para tulungan ang kanyang sarili, ang kanyang pamilya, at ang kanyang komunidad. This is proof that our commitment-based partnerships gave birth to paglaom o paningkamot. And this makes our celebration even more meaningful and inspiring. Dahil ang paglaom o paningkamot o hope and hard work are among the powerful life lessons that we should arm ourselves with and bring along with us to pursue our dreams. Hope and hard work strengthen the spirit and resolve to overcome times of despair, adversity, and desperation. One who works hard is one who hopes. Naitanim natin ang pag-asa at pagsisikap nang magdesisyon tayo na damayan ang ating Pilipino na nangangailangan ng tulong at nahihirapan sa buhay. Nahitabo kini human nga kita nagdesisyon nga mubarog sa katawhang Pilipino ug sa kanunay magmatinud-anon sa prinsipyo sa serbisyo publiko. Allow me then, ladies and gentlemen, to report to you and to the nation the progress of the programs and projects of the Office of the Vice President that were only made possible through your support. The Office of the Vice President continues to reach millions of financially challenged families needing medical assistance. The Medical Assistance Program is the top OVP social service for Filipinos. In April 2023, we reached 22,970 Filipinos. From May 2023 to April 2024, our satellite office and OVP Central Office focused on enhancing our efficiency to support more Filipinos needing medical assistance. As a result, by April 2024, we quadrupled our reach and assisted 119,234 individuals. One of our beneficiaries was a boy from Eastern Samar. The 5-year-old boy had cerebral palsy, and his family's lack of financial security made the boy's medical situation even more challenging for them. His mother, Christine, sought our help through the OVP Eastern Visayas Satellite Office. His daily struggle living with cerebral palsy is shared by a family that constantly worries about the risk of him acquiring life-threatening respiratory health conditions. We donated a set of equipment that addresses the boy's respiratory issues. The best that we can do is to ensure that breathing becomes less difficult for him. With an increased reach, our medical assistance program disbursed 1 billion pesos in contrast to just 236 million pesos in April of last year. We thank our partner hospitals, pharmacies, and other social service providers for the success of our program. In April 2024, over 30,000 families accessed our burial assistance, totaling 150 million pesos. Compared to last year's period, the program only assisted 6,175 families, utilizing 30.8 million pesos. The 400% increase indicates a substantial expansion in the reach and impact our burial assistance program. What started with a single beneficiary, we now have 12 people's organizations who are beneficiaries of the Magnegosyo Taday program. Nakakatuwa ang kwento ng mga benepisyaryo natin. Makikita natin sa kanila ang likas na tibay ng loob ng mga Pilipino para lumaban upang magtagumpay sa harap ng mga pagsubok sa buhay. Katulad na lang ng kwento ng mga miyembro ng Barangay Habag Fisherfolks Association sa Surigao del Sur. Mahirap ang kanilang buhay. May mga anak na pinag-aaral. Walang ibang pinagkakakitaan kundi ang pangingisda. Ngunit, hindi organisado ang mga mangingisda ng barangay. Kanya-kanya ang kanilang operasyon. Kanya-kanya rin sila sa pagharap ng mga problema at paghahanap ng solusyon. However, it only takes one person to initiate change. Isa si Danilo sa naglakas ng loob na hikayatin ang mga kapwa mangingisda na magtatag ng grupo. Alam ni Danilo na kapag organisado, maraming oportunidad ang magbubukas para sa kanila. At matapos nilang itatag ang Barangay Habag Fisherfolks Association, hindi lamang oportunidad ang nagbukas sa kanila, kundi pati pag-asa. Ang kasanatian sa Barangay Habag Fisherfolks Association nagpakita kanato sa pagtubo sa kooperasyon sa mga miyembro sa komunidad ug ang pagkusog sa ilahang maayong pagtagad sa usag-usa. Ang Barangay Habag Fisherfolks Association karon ang nag-unang supplier og isda sa ilang lugar ug mga sikbit nga barangay. Currently, 12 civil society organizations comprising over 26,000 members have benefited from the Magnegosyo Taday entrepreneurial support. Each organization received 150,000 pesos for their livelihood projects. Nais ko lang ibahagi sa inyo ang kwento ng Mika,